update on the equity markets. The markets opened flat today and was trading around the 20-hour moving average for the first part of the trading session. However, post 12:31 in the afternoon, we saw a sharp fall in the Nifty, and once it broke below the previous swing low, hourly swing low of 8064, the fall intensified and the Nifty ultimately ended the day with a 124 point cut in today's trading session. The market breadth was negative with 346 advances to 1214 declines. The small cap index was down by 2.6%, the mid cap index was down by 1.9%, and the bank index was down by 1.8% in today's trading session. Now from the Nifty 50 pack, most of the stocks were on the losing side. A few stocks were also on the positive side, but however the selling pressure was visible across each and every sector. Now moving on to the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed below the 20-day simple moving average of 8058. Our sense is that Nifty is consolidating in the range of 8180 on the upside and 7925 on the downside. Our sense is that it may be just forming a triangular pattern over here, and we have just completed the A, B and C leg of that triangle, and D and E, that is the another two legs of the triangle, are still pending. However, there are alternates to this wave count. We might just have completed wave 1 and this is the wave 2 on the downside of a larger degree wave 5. These are advanced technicals, and it may not be understood by a common man. So we feel that the positive trend is still intact until and unless we break below the previous swing low of 7925. So we maintain our positive stance on Nifty. However, we are seeing some selling pressure in stock specific items, and they are breaking their previous swing lows and crucial supports. So that could be some area of concern. So traders need to be very stock specific in selecting the stocks in which they trade on the long side. Our view on the Nifty still remains positive. We are still positive on Nifty for a target of 8320 on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after breaking the previous swing low of 8064, the Nifty saw a sharp fall in today's trading session. Currently, it is trading at the 61.8% crucial Fibonacci retracement level. Now, in the coming trading sessions, this support level or around this area should be hold on or should be held in the coming trading sessions. A break below this 7925 level would indicate would trigger a major sell-off in the markets as per our sense, and this level of 7925 should not be breached on the downside. So we maintain a positive stance on Nifty with a stop placed at 7925. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly faced selling pressure. It was not able to surpass the yesterday's high. In our last update, we pointed out that the positive momentum on Nifty and Bank Nifty shall continue. However, today that positive momentum which we saw in the second half of yesterday's trading session did not really continue in today's trading session, and the Nifty gave up all its gain of yesterday's trading session also. So this is an expiry week, and there could be some volatile action during the next couple of trading sessions. So traders are advised to trade cautiously and be very stock specific in what they select to be on the long side. Our view on the Bank Nifty also shall remain positive. Some crucial supports are placed at 15,770 and 15,662. On the upside, 16,029, which is the 20-day simple moving average of Bank Nifty, and today the Bank Nifty has closed below that. So now 16,029 becomes a crucial hurdle or resistance for Bank Nifty, and For the positive momentum to continue, the Bank Nifty has to close above this level of 16,029. 16,029 and 16,272 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty still remains positive. We are trading at a crucial Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8%. So that is a crucial support. In the coming trading sessions, we expect the positive momentum to continue on the upside. 7925 should be a stop loss for all the long positions in Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 7980 and 7925. On the upside, 8058, which is the 20-day simple moving average, and 8108 are crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.